So hello to everyone. Here I will show you how to upgrade your W210 E430 front brake system. So here you see two brake calipers. One is from European Spec E430 before facelift, and another is from American and Japan imported E430. So guys, the silver one is 4 piston caliper, and the black one is 1 piston floating caliper. The silver one is also fixed one. Now I will show you what are the main differences, but I am guarantee now that if you will be able to find this type of calipers, I mean silver, it will be very easy to swap this black to that silver. Here we can see the specifications. This caliper comes with the 300mm rotor, which is a 28mm thickness. Thickness, it is very important, guys, and these parameters are the same on the silver one as well. Here you can see the type of this floating caliper. Okay, on E320 it is enough, but on E430 or on CLK430 I think that this type of brakes are not enough, and you may need to upgrade your brake system on the bigger ones. Now let's see this one, which has the following parameters: 38, 28 and 360. So you will need 360mm rotor with this caliper, which is 28mm in the thickness as well. Both of the calipers are made by ATE, and they are mounted exactly the same way. So this is bolt-on upgrade. Here you can see the pistons, and also the sensor, ABS sensor. I think that this is ABS sensor. So guys, you will be able to mount this type of brake caliper on your E430 without any problem. You will need only to swap the brake lines, and you will need only to pick up the longer bolts for the fixed brake caliper. Then everything is bolt-on. Also it is very important to grab 360mm rotors, and everything is bolt-on. I'm repeating now, and you will be ready to use this new brake system. Also no brake booster has to replaced. In this case the factory brake booster works very well with the floating caliper and also with the fixed caliper. Guys, as I am not wrong now, I know that this type of fixed calipers were also used on two W202 C36AMG models. They have only markings AMG, but the specification is the same as shown here. So once again, now I am showing you detail this caliper. It is very good that this one have these plates on the piston rings. So as I know, these are heat protective plates to protect the rubber from the heat inside. And also when you are servicing your car and changing the brake pads, it is way easy to change brake pads on the fixed calipers than to change brake pad on the floating one piston caliper. If we compare them to each other, you can see that the fixed caliper is bigger, so that's why you may need 70mm diameter rims, I mean, and it is very good to see the offset then. But I think that almost every 70, 80 and 90 radius a wheel or rim will fit this type of brake calipers, especially if they are AMG marked. So guys, here is the brake line attachment point, and I think that simply this caliper looks better, it looks solid, and of course you will receive improvement on your braking abilities, on your braking system, and it will be in a cheap mode, which will be easy to install on E430s, and the result will be very good. So guys, this was a little informational video. I went a little different on my car. I installed the brake system from 209 chassis CLK430, and in that case that brake system is made by Brembo, and that is made by aluminum, and it costs way more. That comes with 345mm rotors. That's why I think that if you are going to upgrade your brake system, it is better to pay the money, but not very much as I paid. Of course that will be better, but anyway, and these calipers will be very good addition on your E430. So guys, let me know your comments, your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, stay tuned, and goodbye.